Hello, Professor. This is Bill Kim, and I'm the leader of our group making the Doc Weaver. Doc Weaver is automatic document processing system for taking the documents from the user and then recognize it and then recognize it and processing extract the feature and reviewer can review with the extract the result. We planned it to the for the small businesses for this. And our project is this semester is focusing on to the main three features of the project, which is the uploading documents and then extracting features and then approval. Uh, Team member is me and Bill Kim and Amir and Eric. So we taking the each sections for the implementing, and then Amir taking care of the uploading, and then Eric taking care of the extracting features. And then I taking the two developers' works and then merging it and creating tests and then making this demo for you. Each each module has their own demo driver, but I merged them as the one big whole process demo, and then we can run it onto the IntelliJ. I will show you from there. So creating three files for the developer for developer the demo, and then I made the full demo files for the merging it those things, and then I can run it from here, and then you can see the result from the console. I can explain one by one. The step one, we simulate the uploading documents use cases. This is UI send this upload document command, and then the command valid file create the documents with the status processing and inclusive of the processing job. So you can see the having already exactly one document is sending to our queue. And move on to the step two. Next, we execute the extract the key fields from the use cases, and background workers is for the processing job, send the document to the extracting engine, and invoice extracting strategy. The strategy returns the document record with a field like a vendor name, invoice date, and total amount, plus, plus, and so on. Document is now marked as extracted and linked to the document record. And move on to the final stage for the approval. In this stage, we demonstrate the approval and export use cases. And when the reviewer started reviewing the record, move on from the draft to the in review. This handled by state patterns. Document record delegate the behavior to the current record state and draft record states in review records. During the in review, the reviewer can correct the total amounts and then also approving record transit to the ready to export. At this point, edit the disallowed by state logic. Finally, make export move to the record exported, and we sync the document status to the exported as well. The close to the loop from the uploading to the exported structure data. Okay, so this is the demo. You can see that our source code into the GitHub, and then each developers working their own works for there, and then I merged all the files into the one repository, so you can find out from there. Okay. We worked as communicating each other with the Discord. So there is taking time for the communicating each other, and also we try to understanding what kind of the project is, so we can try to the finishing up our own jobs separately, and then I am merging it all the logics and then source code into the one file. So each one has to work very well, and then I'm really satisfied for the working for the semester. And then we can improve for the UI section for the later time, and then we can try to the much improve and then advanced model of the system. And then thank you.